in no time, then that's not the place to be. And my sincere advice, stop looking for these things that don't exist anyway. And please guys, don't post any links or spam in the comments. And also please, no hate speech, okay? If I see that, I will just have to ban you from this event. So let's begin, and I begin with my full disclaimer. You need to have a profitable trading strategy to make all these methods work that I will present you today there, okay? If you don't have a profitable strategy yet, then you will love day 3, where I will share my trading hacks and methods that I used to double trading accounts for myself and other people. I am more a software developer myself than a trader, okay? But I did have my success in trading before, and it's written in history. You can't take that away, okay? And while I'm not actively trading at the moment, and I'm not making 6 figures a month myself from trading, but you will see how simple and logical my methods and tools are for any trader to use. As you know, they're really simple. It's not easy, but they're simple, guys. You will see. If you can make 10% gain per month, then you can make 6 figures following my methods, okay? And 10% gain per month, what is it like? If we have like 20 trading days a month, so it's like 0.5% a day. So it's not that much, yeah? And think of me like a retired football coach who doesn't play football anymore, but coaches other players, yeah? So that's me, you know. I have lots of tools, lots of knowledge, and I want to share that with you. So my promise that by the end of this presentation, you will learn my 5 secret ways to increase your trading income by 100 times and make 6 figures in Forex, okay? Another thing to understand that you will not make 1000% per day, okay? I always get these messages and they're so silly to me, you know, but I understand that people come there with their unrealistic expectations. Or of course you can make that. If you can make 10% gain per day consistently, then you can just 100x that to 1000% gain, yeah, with my tools and my methods. But 1000 profit per day, really? I probably think you have a bigger chance to win $1 million in the lottery than getting 1000% per day, yeah. And if you ever had this, Wall Street would pay you billions of dollars. Why would you send anyone such silly messages on Facebook expecting them to give you some $50 robot that can make you that kind of money? You know, that's really, really unrealistic, guys, okay? So, who is this for? Are you in the right place, yeah? This is for everyone who's using MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It's for beginner traders, it's for professional traders, retail traders, institutional traders, Forex traders, CFD traders, stock traders, crypto traders. And my story really quick, guys. You know, I don't want to bother you with long, boring story, but just what's relevant, you know, and to say how I got there, okay? So I started coding like I was 12 or something. You see in this old picture me sitting in front of this old Russian computer, yeah? So that's me, yeah? Guys, I discovered Forex in 2008. And I just thought that in the next few months I would just become a millionaire, okay? But soon I realized that it's not gonna happen that fast, okay? Whenever you open a buy trade, price goes down. Then you open a sell trade, then it starts going up. Then you open a buy trade because it's going up. Oh, no, it's going down. You have to open a sell. You open a sell, it starts going up again. I'm sure everyone knows that. And these are the screenshots from my first attempts in trading on this old Marketiva trading platform. I'm not sure if these guys are around yet, you know, but that was the first time I saw Forex and just started playing on this account. Yes. Yeah? So those were interesting days back then. In 2009, I started coding indicators and EAs for myself, you know, kind of initially. But then I saw a huge demand, and a lot of people start asking me if can you create this and that. And for me as a coder, it was pretty easy to get into programming on MetaTrader 4. And since 2009 and 2014, I coded hundreds of MetaTrader EAs and indicators for clients. During that time, in 2011, I've created a profitable trade strategy, and I called it Daily F. I doubled my demo account in about 9 months and made lots of money for other people. Yeah, you heard me right. I doubled my demo account, so I didn't make anything for myself because that was just a demo account. Well, on that account, of course, but I made a lot of money for other people. And of course, I got a share from that. So then when I made some money, I funded my real account with Duca's Copy. At that time, I had to do this through this called Fair Trading Technology, because Duca's Copy didn't have MetaTrader at that time, but now they do. But anyway, back in the day, in 2012, I doubled my real account in the next 12 months and made lots of money for other people. And this time, even in trading, I made some for myself, yeah? So, how I made money trading demo accounts. So basically, here's one of the examples. What you see is a chart from my, from the profits that I made from my client. You're looking at $71,000 profit I made for a client. So 20% share of that is like $14,000, and I made that from trading my demo account. So I was making zero money on my demo account because just demo money, yeah. But because I was making money for other people trading the same strategy, they paid me share of the profits. So demo account to 14,000 profit from just one client. That's like infinite increase, 0 to 14,000, yeah. And there were other clients that were paying me 100 euros a month, and those were smaller accounts, so they just had to pay this fixed fee. So there's like examples of like 2,000 profit, 10,000 profit, 7,000, 5,000. Yeah, there are lots of accounts. I believe I had like 100 or more than 100 people copying my trades. Yeah, I've told the story in my book, by the way, guys. So if that's of interest to you to read, you can find this on Amazon. But I won't be going a lot about this there, So let's just get to things that, got us here, yeah? 5 secret ways to increase your Forex profits. I will be going fast because that's, a lot of things to cover. But so let's begin. Secret number 1, 10x FX profits. How to 10x Forex profits without increasing your risk and even make money trading on a demo account. I presented the secret first like a few months ago, so probably some of you may already heard it before from me in my previous webinars, but other 5 I've never introduced them before nowhere. So secret number 2 is like unlock any Forex robot. I call it because this allows you to get any Forex robot for free and make it legally work on thousands of MetaTrader accounts without cracking the code. And even when it is licensed, locked to one account only. Yeah, sounds insane, but trust me, that's possible and not that difficult to do actually. Secret number 3 is fail to gain. How to profit from losing expert advisors, Forex robots, and failing traders. Secret number 4, many to one portfolio. This allows you to create a profitable investment portfolio of multiple strategies and traders on social trading networks. Really interesting one, guys. And secret number 5, the big one, I must say, yeah, Forex income multiplier. That's the main reason we are here probably today, yeah. And it's about how any retail trader can make 6 figures per month in Forex without depositing $2 million to his trading account. Yeah, who has $2 million? So let's go through the first one, 10x FX profits. How to 10x profits without increasing your risk and even make money trading on a demo account? I will start by this great quote by Zig Ziglar. He once said that you can get everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Help other people get what they want, and then life will reward you with the things that you want. Okay, that's really powerful, and it's really close to the thing what 10x FX Profits is about. So 10x FX Profits framework is the main idea behind this, is that you grow trading accounts for other people, not just for yourself. If you're growing your own account, you can also do that for your friends, your family, or clients. Okay, so it all begins with this one computer in the middle. Yeah, that's your trading account. We call it master account, the main account. You are trading this account for yourself, probably already, making some profits. And you start by trading one additional account for a friend, or your neighbor, or I don't know, your brother, sister, whatever, They give you their main MetaTrader password and you start growing the account. That's how it works. As you find more and more people, profits keep compounding. You grow more and more accounts. People invite their friends. So it's probably not, it's not about you finding more people, but other people finding you so that you could grow their accounts as well. If you're doing a good job growing accounts for other, trust me, there will be lots of people coming your way, Word of mouth, guys. So here's the math behind 10x FX Profits framework. If you grow your $1,000 account by 10%, your profit is only $100. Well, growing your account by 10% a month is really a good number, guys. This way you can double your account in a year. That's really astonishing results, in trading. But on a $1,000 account, that's only $100. With $100, you won't go too far, And is it even worth it that way, But if you manage 10 other accounts, like $5,000 each, for example, that's $50,000 fund, If you grow those accounts by 10% at the same time as you're growing yours, that's a $5,000 profit total, for that month. And if you take 20% share from that 5K profit you made for other people, that will be $1,000 extra profit for you. And that's your 10x. Originally, trading your account, you made like $100 on your $1,000 account. But if you manage other accounts like $50,000 fund, so to speak, in this example, 10% of that equals 5K, 20% share of that 5K is 1,000, so 100 to 1,000, 10x, here's your 10x FX profits, guys. And imagine different scenarios. One extra account, it could be one extra account, you're trading $50,000 capital, okay? Maybe you're trading 5 accounts with $10,000 each, or maybe 50 accounts, $2,000 each, which will result in a $100,000 fund, okay? So the important thing is, like, you make money for others, then they pay you a performance fee, you increase your profit 10x or even 100x. There's no limit to this, guys. You can manage so many accounts for so many people with like large accounts, I'm talking about. And everyone is happy, So there are a few pros and cons of this method. So I believe it's important to mention that. Cons, the problems you will probably, face with this is that in some countries, you need to be regulated or get a license to manage other people's money, okay? Personally, I don't think you need a license to manage accounts for your close friends or brothers or your sisters, but I'm not a lawyer, so I cannot speak much about that, okay? But there are good pros for using this method. You can make money even by trading your demo account. You can be trading on your demo and trading all other accounts at the same time, So for yourself, you're trading demo, you make 0 from trading, like I did in my case, in my story, but you're trading, making money for other people on their live accounts. So you make money for them and they share profits with you. So you make money on your demo, trading your demo account, yeah, so to speak. And, another good thing is that your trading strategy, your terms, you the manager, you decide how much money you charge off those profits. 20%, 30%, 50%.
Ini lagi belajar.
The standard is like 20%, but it's up to you how much you charge, yeah? So, the 10x FX Profits framework, it allows you to make 10 times more money on the exact same trades by simultaneously trading multiple accounts. You can even make money trading demo, yeah? So, step number 1, just to recap, make a profit on your small trading account. We'll call it master account. The 10% profit in $1,000 account is only $100. You can even do this with a demo, yeah? But $100 won't take you far. So you find 10 people, friends or family, you call them client accounts. So $50,000 fund, you will make money for them. They pay you the share. How can I trade 10 accounts at once? Well, the solution is to clone your account to those 10 client accounts with the FX account cloning method. You use FX account cloning method. I will teach you tomorrow in day 2. You will see how this works. It's not that difficult, guys. You will see. And now you make 10% for them. You get $5,000 profit for them, and they pay you the share. This is how you make money. You ask for 20% share, okay? So you just 10x your $100 this way, okay? You can make a screenshot of this, but actually there will be a link to this to the slide. Yeah, I just froze my mind, sorry. But wait, you're probably asking, how can I do this? Yeah, how can I have more than one MetaTrader on the same computer? How can I open same trades on like 10 MetaTrader accounts instantly? It's like insane. So click that many buttons at the same time. And how can I control the position size of each account? Because each account can be of different size. Like one will be 1,000, another will be 10,000. Some accounts will be 5K, yeah. And what if I do not have a profitable strategy yet? Yeah, I'm sure you facing these problems, these questions in your head. But the solution is FX account cloning method. I'll teach this on day 2, and when it goes to the strategy, we'll talk about in day 3. Yeah. So let's go with the method number 2. Unlock any Forex robot. How to get any Forex robot for free and make it legally work on thousands of MetaTrader accounts without cracking the code, and even when its license is locked to one account only. Long sentence. Whoa. Have you ever had dinner at a restaurant with your friends and then split the bill? Yeah? I heard you say, yeah, of course. Well, the unlock any Forex robot method works the same way. You just split the bill for the Forex robot. Yeah? A group of friends find a Forex robot they want to buy and then split the bill. Yeah, simple. Why nobody thought of this area, yeah? Well, there are a few things to understand, of course. So, here's an example. A single Forex robot license costs $500. Okay, it could be $100, $1,000, 5,000, I don't know, but for just the sake of this example, let's make it $500 for the robot, yeah, single license for one account. But you're a group of people, 5 people, okay? So normally for everyone to have such trading robot would cost like $500 each. That will be like $2,500, yeah? That's a lot, don't it? Especially when there's a solution to make this a lot cheaper, yeah? So option number 1, even split. You split the cost 5 ways. You're 5 people, you split the cost 5 ways, so it will cost $100 each, yeah? 5 times $100, $500, you buy the robot, but there's an option number 2. Free for you, yeah? You pay nothing, but 4 of your friends pay $125 each to buy a single Forex robot license. So 4 times 125 equals $500 for the robot license. But you say, Rimantas, but that's just one license for one account. Well, don't rush things. I'll just give you a solution. So the Log4x method, is to get any robot for free and grow accounts for yourself and your friends. So it also can be used to use MetaTrader 4 robot to trade on MetaTrader 5 or vice versa. MetaTrader 5 robot trade on MetaTrader 4. Yeah. So here's how it works. Yeah. So again, you find profitable robot, price $500. How can you get it free? You find 4 more friends to buy that Forex robot and split the bill. Yeah. But if you buy, 5 people, 5 licenses, 2,500, 5 accounts. Yeah. What's the point? Well, 4 of your friends buy the license of that robot. You pay nothing, but it is for 1 account only. So how you make that robot work on 5 accounts? FX account cloning solution, guys. The same solution, yeah? It allows you to share trades across accounts. It allows you to force the Forex robot from 1 account to instantly open the same trades on many other accounts. It will enable you to grow many accounts using just 1 license of any Forex robot. So, you're probably asking now, how can a single robot license work on 5 computers but it's locked to 1 account only? Yeah. How can I have 5 MetaTrader accounts on the same computer? Because, we're a group of 5 people in this example. How can 1 Forex robot license place trades on 5 accounts instantly? And what if all 5 accounts are of different sizes? Well, the good news, your 4 friends paid for the robot, but you will be the one who has the solution to make that single robot license work on all 5 accounts, including yours. Okay? Because you have that solution, you have the right to pay nothing for the robot and your friends buy that robot, yeah? And solution is FX account cloning method. I will teach this tomorrow on day 2, okay? So let's get to the secret number 3. Fail to gain method. How to profit from losing expert advisors, Forex robots, and failing traders. Nice backtest, by the way. So, have you ever heard about the fact that 95% of traders lose money? I don't know who come up with this number. It probably might be 90%, 80%, 85, or 99.9% traders lose money. I don't know how much exactly, but there's this rumor going around from, I don't know, since I started trading, since I got into Forex like 10, 11, whatever years ago, yeah? But this is just number that 95 traders lose money. So if 95 traders lose money, it means that most of the time they take losing trades. Duh, obvious, yeah? But if they lose so many trades, then what would happen if you did the opposite? Yeah? Just look at what others do and do the opposite. It's known as reverse trading. Ever heard about this before, guys? Reverse trading. But it's not enough to take trades in the opposite direction. It's not enough to take trades in the, there are some things that you need to fight with commissions, double spreads, entry delays, swaps, and so on. It's not that easy as it sounds, yeah, but that's a really, really realistic thing to do, yeah, to grow account for yourself if you find a losing trader. So here's the fail to gain method to make money by reverse trading a losing Forex robot or a failing trader. Step number 1, you set up a losing trader or robot on a demo account. We call it the master account. And probably everyone will agree that it's easier to find a losing trader or a losing robot, yeah? Because everyone's looking for that holy great thing and nothing works for no one, yeah? For everyone, everybody has the thing that doesn't work, but nobody finds the thing that works, yeah? So it's kind of obvious that it's easier to find a losing trader or a robot. Even the worst, but it's important to understand, guys, that even the worst trader will have winners, like a broken clock is right twice a day. You probably heard that saying, that even a broken clock is right twice a day, yeah? So how do I make money following a losing trader? Well, you set up a live account for yourself to receive reversed trades. We call this a client account, yeah? You use the FX account cloning method, the same method, yeah, to copy and reverse trades from a losing demo account to your live account. And you have to use special fail to gain configuration, that's not, just set this up and forget, there's a special configuration for that. And if you're asking what's the point, is that while demo account losses become your real profit. That's a reverse trading. When demo account takes a buy trade, it becomes a sell on your live account. If demo account takes a sell trade, it becomes a buy trade, on your live account. A losing trader has more losses than winners, so your live account will get the opposite, more winners than losers. You profit from losing trades. So, you use a particular FX account cloning setup. I'll teach this tomorrow on day 2. You set up a losing trader or robot on the demo account. We'll call it the master. On that same master, you set up a trade copper software to send trades to other accounts. We'll call them client. The trade copper software is a part of the FX account cloning setup, guys. I'll show this tomorrow. And on that live client account, which is like your account, you set up a trade copper software to receive trades from the master, but with a special configuration. You have to turn on the reverse mode to remove stops, remove trade comments, You have to set to enter reverse trades only at the same or better price. And for a client account, you have to choose a broker with a very small or no commissions, use a pair with a low spread, set up everything on a reliable VPS server with a high-speed internet connection as close as possible to your broker servers. That will minimize or eliminate entry delays. And if this sounds too confusing to you, just, I will go through more details tomorrow. So, don't freak out. Secret number 4. Many-to-one portfolio. How to create a profitable investment portfolio of multiple strategies and traders on social trading networks. There's this saying that if you put all your eggs in one basket, you will lose them all. Imagine if you have all your eggs in one basket and someone takes that basket away from you. What happens? You lose all your eggs because you had all the eggs in that one basket, But if you divide your eggs, like for example in 10 baskets, and someone takes away one basket, then you will lose only a few eggs. You probably heard of this before, It's called diversification. That's the basic explanation of diversification, Every serious investor diversifies their investments by investing into separate components, currencies, strategies, and so on, The problem is that most platforms allow us to follow or copy only one trader or strategy at a time. You need multiple accounts to copy numerous traders. And another problem is that there will be times that, actually quite often, that these traders will force you to use some forex broker you've never heard about before, which is probably unregulated in some offshore island or whatever. And hardly anyone will decide to invest a lot of money into that, So that's why many-to-one portfolio, I created it, So it allows you to create a low-risk investment portfolio of multiple strategies from multiple sources. Combine strategies from sources like, any social trading network, forex robots, or investor password accounts. And here's how it works. You set up 10 small accounts to follow multiple systems from different sources. We call them master accounts. They will be, like 10 master accounts in this example. So examples might be you follow Coil Signals on one account. On another one, you follow someone from Zulu Trade. On the third one, you follow someone from my Fixbook Auto Trade platform. Yeah. Then on some accounts, you use Forex robots, or you find some account managers with investor password accounts. And all these can be demo accounts, can be unregulated brokers, and whatever. They will be just small accounts that you kind of throw like 1K into each that you can afford to lose or whatever. Yeah, but that's a lot of accounts. But see what comes next. Use the FX account cloning to combine all these accounts into one big account. We call it client account or portfolio account. Yeah. For this one, you choose a reputable and regulated broker for your portfolio account. So let's say you have like, I don't know, $100,000 invest into this portfolio account with regulated company where your funds are secured and so on. Yeah. But you combine those 10 small accounts into one big account, that portfolio. So all these small accounts are probably maybe on demo accounts or some unregulated broker accounts in some offshore islands or whatever. Yeah. Because these traders force you to use those accounts. But, those accounts are growing, even though are risky, But you allocate 10% for each of the strategy on your main account. You not copy the size of these trades one by one, one to one, yeah? You copy them 10 times smaller because you have 10 accounts. If you have 5 accounts to copy to that portfolio, you allocate 5 times smaller, kind of lot size, yeah? So to speak. But what's the point? Well, the point is that this will diversify and minimize the risk of your investment portfolio. You diversify the risk by not betting on one system or trader. You're following 10 of them, like in this example, yeah? If 2 systems fail, the other 8 will cover the losses and keep growing your account. That's a good thing, don't you think? Replace failed systems with new ones. So if you see that 1, 2, 3 systems fail, just throw them out, even though they, lost some money. You lost only small fortune, yeah, on your big account, and you just kick them out. Other working strategies cover the losses anyway, and in their place you find other new strategies to copy to follow. Yeah, this is how you can minimize the risk of losing money with unregulated brokers as well. Yeah, so manage one portfolio framework. Use a particular FX account cloning setup. I'll teach this tomorrow at day 2. Set up multiple accounts to follow or copy different traders from different sources, like think Zulu Trade, Coil Signals, Auto Trade by my Fixbook, any Forex robot, etc. This will be your master accounts. On each master account, you set up a trade copper, which is a part of FX account cloning setup, and it will send trades to one account. We will call it a portfolio account, yeah, like client account, portfolio account. On that portfolio account, you set up a trade copper to receive trades from all these master accounts, and you use a special configuration. You divide the risk proportionally by the number of master accounts you follow. So in example, if you follow 10 master accounts, you use 0.1 risk multiplier, okay, that will make 10x percent of portfolio account per strategy. You kind of allocate 10% of your portfolio account per strategy. Yeah, this is how you lower the risk. And of course, you set up any custom symbol mapping if necessary, because you will be copying from different brokers. So like different instrument names might occur, but there's this easy solution to that. And you have to set this up, of course, on a reliable VPS server with a high-speed internet connection as close as possible to a broker servers. Yeah, that will minimize delays and that minimize entry delays. So guys, the last one, number 5, Forex income multiplier. How any retail trader can make 6 figures per month in Forex without depositing $2 million to his trading account. So who has a $2 million account to make six figures? I will stop the presentation a bit. I will switch to the comment section. And just out of interest, guys, can you drop me in the comments and say who has a $2 million account? Or at least $1 million account? If you make 10% on a $2 million account, that's a lot of money, yeah? Don't you think? Don't you think? Not me, haha, Melvin, yeah. Wall Street, yeah, probably Wall Street. They probably have even bigger accounts. Not me. I don't have it either, guys, yeah? Not me. Well, who wants to see how you can get one? Yeah? So, let me show you. Let's just switch back. So, here's how it goes. A little math, yeah? So 10% gain per month is absolutely awesome. If you don't believe that, just, I'm not sure what you believe in then, but 10% a month will double your account, yeah? You make 10% and you can earn a lot of money, guys. But most people don't have big accounts because you need to have a big account to make this 10% make you a significant amount of money. In fact, by the research done by forexexplore.com, you see this picture, yeah, in this on the screen now. According to the research, 30% of traders deposit between $501 to $1,000. That's how small their accounts are. And more than 50% of traders depositing 500 or less. So it's like more than half of traders have accounts smaller than $500. So 10% on that is like $50, guys. So it's like, I don't know. Is it worth it? Yeah. If a 10% gain on a $1,000 account is $100, so what's the point of doing that Forex thing anyway, guys? Why are you even doing this? Yeah. Well, there is a real nice solution. Because on a 10%, like 10% gain on a $2 million account is $200,000. Well, I'm not there to teach you math, yeah, because everyone can calculate how much money you would make, you know, growing 10% on your $2 million account. But let's just look inside how to get one, yeah? You probably think that, oh, you're insane, I don't have a $2 million account. Yeah, neither do I, but you can get funded by multiple Forex prop firms to scale to $2 million. Have you ever heard about Forex prop firms? It's really hot today. More and more people hopping in. And if you're not there, you're losing a lot, I would say. If you can grow your small account, then imagine what you can do for those prop firms, and they pay really good share, okay? So, here's how it goes. You pay a small entry fee to start the evaluation process, or how many of these companies call it, like challenge, yeah? So you pass the challenge, you go to step 2 to evaluate it, you kind of pass the evaluation 2 times, so to speak, yeah? And then you get funded with a lot of money. So for example, with like $150, depending on the company, because there are so many of them with different pricings and rules, but around $150 can get you a $10,000 account to prove your trading skills. Or like around $600 for a $100,000 account to prove your trading skills. Prove your trading skills on a $10,000 or $100,000 account, and they will fund you even more money, and you keep doing profits, and they will keep sharing profits with you. Each Forex prop firm has different pricing plans, different offers, different rules, etc. So you have to look at each of these prop firms. I will give you a list in the tactical video at the end, you know, after this presentation when I prepare it, yeah. But anyway, so you will be watching that video, and there will be a list of a few firms I recommend. And you have to prove that you're a profitable trader. Copying of other traders is not allowed, because you have to be the trader, yeah. That's how it works. They want you to be a good trader, not copying someone else and pretending that you make money in Forex, because when that trader you're following disappears, or that Forex robot you just bought stops working, you cannot make money anymore. So they don't need such traders, fake traders. Yeah, they want traders that can really make money by themselves. Yeah, you can use your own robot according to your own strategy and stuff, but you cannot copy other traders. Yeah. When you pass evaluation process and the Forex firm provide you funding of large capital, think about 100,000, 200,000, 2 million, 1 million. I actually even saw a prop firm that stating you can get funded more than 10 millions. Yeah, it really sounds so unrealistic, but just think about it. If you can make money, why wouldn't they give you bigger and bigger accounts? Of course, that won't happen overnight. If you go there, I know how to trade and make money. Okay, prove it. You have to prove them. Yeah. And after a few weeks, after you prove this, they will give you a large account. If you prove yourself to make a lot of money on that large account, they will give you even larger account. Yeah. So it will take some time, probably like months or a year or whatever, depending on how good you are. But it will take you there. Yeah. Once you pass the evaluation process, most prop firms will even refund your initial entry fee. And you can use that money to get additional accounts with other prop firms. Yeah, why get funded by one prop firm if you're doing well? You can get funded by a lot of prop firms. Yeah, you get a lot of these accounts. Think about 10 accounts, $200,000 each. Yeah, with 10 prop firms, that's your $2 million fund. Yeah. Forex prop firms offer up to 90% payouts of your profits. That's huge, guys. And again, they all have different numbers and stuff, so some pay 90, others pay 80%, some pay 60%. There's a difference between them, but as I saw, 90% was the highest I found. And any profitable trader can scale to large capital in a matter of months. If you can do well in trading, you can scale to like 2 million pretty quickly. Usually I saw that there's a limit of around $200,000 to $300,000 per user max with any prop Forex firm. So it's hardly possible to scale to 2 million with one Forex prop firm. So the idea is to get funded by a lot of firms. Yeah. The goal is to register with multiple Forex prop firms and over time scale to 2 million capital. That won't happen fast, of course, but why trade with $1,000 and earn yourself miserable $100 when you can start with 10,000 and gradually scale to 2 million or higher? Yeah. Just prove yourself to those prop firms that you can do a good job, and you will get there eventually, and I'm sure even faster than you might think. And of course, you have to study and obey the rules of each Forex prop firm. Yeah. So the Forex income multiplier framework, it's about generating six-figure monthly income by managing multi-million-dollar capital legally on multiple Forex firm trading accounts for up to 80% profit split. As you know, some of them even pay 90%, some pay 60%, and so on. Yeah. What's good thing about it is that you do not need to get regulated or licensed. You're not trading for other people, you're not managing money for other people. The prop firm gives you trading account and you just trading these accounts. That's it. So once again, just to recap, get funded by different Forex prop firms to scale to 2 million. $150 roughly can get you $10,000 account. Around $600 can get you a $100,000 account, for verification, evaluation. Yeah. And do this only if you are already profitable, guys. Don't just go there by into these, trading challenges and evaluations. If you can't trade and just, I will just try my luck. You might get luck once or twice, but, if you can't do this consistently, then why just, dropping your money into water, so to speak. Yeah. So at first you start with one Forex prop firm account, but the goal is to get multiple accounts from different prop firms to scale to 2 million. keep trading your regular MetaTrader account. We'll call it a master account in this scenario, yeah? You can mirror trades from the regular account that you already trading and already growing, yeah? Or you can use one of the prop firm's accounts as a master account. You will get one account from one prop firm. You can use that as a master and then mirror trades to other accounts with other prop firms, yeah? Just so that you just trade one and others are trading automatically the same way, yeah? The goal is to manage 10 accounts, scale to 2 million. But how can I trade 10 Forex Prime accounts at once? Well, you probably guessed it. You need the FX account cloning solution, yeah? Then you copy trades across multiple prop firms accounts, and we call them client accounts in this scenario, yeah? And this way you can grow all these prop firms accounts at the same time while trading only one MetaTrader account. So make 10% on the $2 million fund. That will be $2,000 profit for the prop firm. But how can you make money? Well, as you guessed it, you take your profit share, or you can use that money to build yourself a large account for yourself, like it will be your account. Profits, you build a trading account with that company, and then trading that account, you won't have to do any profit shares now, yeah? So that's a good solution too. So you know that most prop firms pay up to 90% share at first. Later they pay less and less, but it's like 60 to 80%. But even 60%, that's a lot, guys. 60% profit share from that $200,000 you make on a $2 million fund. That's $120,000. That's your 6-figure income. You get it now, yeah? So some prop firms allow you to use that money to build a large account for yourself. So if you don't take that money as a profit share, some firms allow you to put that money into trading account, and that trading account will be yours now, and you can trade that account from now on. And as far as I know, you don't have to pay any shares from that one, yeah? So that's a really good way to build a huge trading account for yourself, yeah? So here's the math behind the Forex income multiplier. Once again, guys, I know that explaining once doesn't hit the bell, at least for me. If I'm learning something and somebody tells me, okay, it worked like this, and I'm like, can you repeat? So that's why I'm repeating a few times, okay, guys? I hope you appreciate that, yeah? So if you grow your $1,000 account by 10%, your profit is only $100. It won't get you far, yeah? But if you get funded by different Forex prop firms to manage, for example, 10 accounts of $200,000 each, that's $2 million fund total. If you grow those accounts by 10%, that's a $200,000 profit of, on that $2 million fund account. You get your 60% share, or 70, 80, or 90, whatever, but roughly, even if it's just 60% share, because that's the smallest I saw they offer, that's $120,000 profit for you. That's your share already. That's how you make 6 figures per month. And that's only 10% gain. Guys, you just have to scale to that, work towards that, yeah? So all it takes is 10% monthly growth and the FX account cloning setup, yeah? So guys, once again, to recap, Forex income multiplied. You get funded by different prop firms until you scale to $2 million. Use a particular FX account cloning setup. I'll teach this tomorrow on day 2. You keep trading your regular MetaTrader account as usual. We'll call it master account, yeah? On that master, set up a trade copper, which is a part of FX account cloning setup, and you set it up to send trades to these prop firm accounts. We'll call them client accounts, yeah, in this example. And those client accounts, you set up a trade copper to receive trades from that master, yeah, the regular account you are already trading for yourself probably today, and you use a special configuration. Set up a proper risk according to prop firm trading rules. set up a hard stop according to prop firm trading rules just to secure that and so that you won't lose in that game, so to speak, yeah? And you have to set up everything on a reliable VPS server with a high-speed internet connection that is as close as possible to a broker servers. We do that to minimize or eliminate entry delays, yeah? So that's kind of the thing in a nutshell, yeah? But the goal is to scale to manage a $2 million fund across different prop firms, because 10% gain on $2 million is $200,000. And when the account grows big, most prop firms pay 60% profit share, and 60% profit share of $200,000 is $120,000. That's your 6 figures per month. Okay, guys. So what's next? Day 1 is almost over. So what's next? Well, you need a special FX account cloning setup with my local trade copper software for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. I'll teach this on day 2 tomorrow, okay? You need a profitable trading strategy. I really hope you already have one, but if you're not, I will show you my trading hacks on day 3, okay? And meanwhile, do your homework assignment. Day 1 homework assignment looks like this. Sadly, I haven't yet prepared that video, but you know that I will. So I hope that in 1 hour I will have it uploaded and send you the link. So first thing what you'll have to do is to watch that tactical video. It will be around 30 minutes long, okay? You watch that. I will upload this in about 1 hour. Create a 7-day trial of the local trade copper software to get ready for day 2. I forgot to mention that it's free, but yeah, the 7-day trial is free, guys. And this way you will get ready for day 2, okay? Local trade copper software is a part of the FX account cloning method, and it allows you to place Forex trades in many different accounts at the same time. Think about like 5, 10, 20, 100 extra accounts. Yeah, it doesn't matter how many, you can connect them all to one account and even trade from your mobile phone, yeah, on that account, and everything will be copied to other accounts, yeah, that you link with. Next thing will be you have to pick your income multiplier method. I just teach you 5 multiplier methods, so pick the one or few, you know, that you are most interested in, yeah. And lastly, choose your Forex prop firm and sign up with them if you choose, you know, this path, okay. If you don't need Forex prop firm for your multiply method, whatever you choose, then you don't have to sign up with Forex prop firm. But if you already trading profitably, I really urge you to sign up with Forex prop firm and start, you know, going through evaluation process to pass it as soon as possible, and, you know, start building your capital. Yeah, because if you're already profitable, that's the right thing to do next. Yeah, if you don't have a strategy, yes, don't rush, don't just jump into that Forex prop firm funding thing, because if you can't win in Forex, you'll just lose that challenge, and you know, you won't get back your initial entry fee. Okay, so that's the end for today, and I will stick there around for a few questions, guys. So if you have any questions, please do let me know and I will answer them. Let me just somehow cover this annoying picture-in-picture thing, okay? It's like, let's do it like this. Okay, Simon says you can't use robots is the problem. You do, you know, you are allowed to use robots with these prop firms. They just have to obey their rules. Well, some challenge, you know, some prop firms might not allow them, but there are lots of that allow Forex robots. But there are a few things to understand, that the robot that you use with a Forex prop firm has to be your robot. And you have to be kind of the creator of that robot, so that you are sure you never lose that robot. Because if you buy a trading robot somewhere online and like millions other people are using that same robot, and one day it just stops working, you are not a profitable trader anymore. Yeah, but if it's your own robot according to your strategies and stuff, yeah, then why not? If it stops working, you will just adjust your strategy, whatever you have to do in there, and it will continue working again, you know? So that's what these prop firms are afraid of, okay? Okay, let's see. Most prop firms request all positions are closed Friday evening. Not all of them. Yeah, there are prop firms that, you know, ask for close on Friday, and which is a problem with robots and copying. With copying, you're not even allowed that, because you're not allowed to copy from other traders, yeah, because you cannot control that. But with robots, if it's according to your strategy, and if you close trades before Friday, problem solved. People, don't try to look for problems where they do not exist, and don't try to trick or hack the system. If you want to play with Forex prop firms and scale to $2 million fund, why are you even trying to trick and lie to them? Okay? If you can't do this on your own, you better choose some other method. Okay? How do we get the recordings of this meeting? Okay, so about the recording, guys. A lot of you already know that once you sign up, you were offered to upgrade to VIP experience for extra payment, so that you can get recordings. So those recordings will be prepared and uploaded, and you will have, you know, them for life, kind of. But during this challenge, I will upload the recordings as well. And for the next few days, while the challenge is going on, these recordings will be available to watch 24/7, okay? So to speak, yeah? But after a few days, when this challenge, these trainings are over, I will turn them off, these recordings. And the only way will be to watch them if you upgrade to VIP. So during these few days, you will be able to watch these recordings as well for free. So don't worry about it. But if you want to watch them like next week or next month, or rewatch them later or whatever, then you have to upgrade to VIP experience, okay? So I kind of made it fair for everyone. For those who don't want to pay, that's okay. I'm totally fine with that. You want it free, that's good. I'm happy that you are there, yeah? You just go and watch them in these few days, yeah? But if you want to have access to them later, you have to pay for them. Will you email the slides to us? No, I don't email the slides, but you will get the replays recordings, so you will just rewatch this later. Most Forex prop firm may not accept all the countries. Please confirm. Yes, that's correct. You have to study each prop firm to see which countries they accept. They usually accept most of the countries. They usually give the list, the countries that they don't accept. So if there's like 10, 15 or whatever countries on that list, just look if you're there or not. And guys, if your country is on the list, maybe you have a friend who's a trader as well from another country that's on the list, and you can kind of cooperate in this, yeah? He can get the prop firm account, you can do the trading, if you can do that, yeah? And you can do this even with the Trade Copper software I'm gonna present you tomorrow, yeah? So you can set it up in this way. So he gets funded, you do the trades, he gets like a profit share, you split that, easy, yeah? What's the minimum capital for Forex market? There are brokers that allow you to enter with like $10, but guys, it's just so, I don't want to say stupid, but it is, yeah. It's like, how can you expect to make money with $10, you know, funded? It's like, you barely can make money with $1,000 funded to your account. It's like 10% on $1,000. It's like $100 profit, yeah. So you need a big account to make good money in Forex, yeah. Can you give further details about fail to gain approach, buy and sell trades at the same time? It's not buy and sell at the same time on that same account, guys. It's one account buys trade opens buy, another account opens sell. It does the opposite. So if that first account is failing account, the other one is winning. Of course, if that's winning, this one will be losing, yeah? So if you know someone who constantly loses in trading, just ask them to trade on some trading account, and don't tell them, and link that account to your live account, and turn all those trades in reverse with my Trade Copper software. And whatever he is doing, it will reverse everything, and if he's losing, you will be winning. That's how it works, okay? I will give more details tomorrow on this about a setup, okay? Your system that you're going to share, does it work on the prop firms, and what's the success rate? We will talk about the strategies in day 3, guys. But wouldn't buy and sell even at different accounts give net zero prop? No, guys, understand. Like, you open a buy trade on a failing trader opens a buy trade, okay? And at the same time, your account is reversing trade, so it will open a sell trade, okay? This one's open buy, and your account opens sell, okay? So now this losing trader loses like 100 pips on that trade, so it means price went down, but because you reversed that trade to sell and the price went down, you win 100 pips. Well, because of the spread and slippages, it might be like a few pips less, but so to speak. This guy loses $100, you win $100. Just basic explanation, yeah? Give a list of prop accounts or firms you are talking about. Yes, I will give that list in about an hour. I prepared a tactical video, upload it, and send you the link. There will be links to a few prop firms. Where to find these losing traders? Everywhere. If 95% of people lose trades, it should be pretty easy to find, My guess is that if you go to any link on these forums and, that welcome you to Telegram channels and stuff, and ask them to manage your account, I'm sure they will just lose the money. Yeah. Try that with a crap robot. There's lots of them. Oh yeah, Simon is right about that. And talking about losing robots, there will be something really interesting for you on day 3. Yeah, I don't want to reveal lots of details. Yeah, just be there on day 3. Instead of doing reverse trades, can hedge our trades in the same account. Yeah, but that won't get you far. Just buy and sell at the same time. You just lock in your small loss, and eventually you have to close both trades, and you didn't win anything. Okay. Market is volatile and unpredictable. Will all of this work in the current market? That's including your strategy or Forex hack you will be teaching us on day 3. Well, if you are asking me to say what will happen in the future with anything that we can learn today, sorry guys, I can't answer that. I don't know the future, yeah? Will the homework require a VPS? No, none of that will require VPS. Of course, if you have one, it's, you can use that for better connection and stuff, but it's not required. Does this copper work on demo account? Absolutely. If you paid attention, in my story, I was making money trading my demo account and copying trades to other people's live accounts. So yes, it does work on demo account. Okay, let's see what else. Closing of trades on Friday depends on the type of account that you have with the prop firms. You get restricted to that thing. Yeah, different prop firms have different accounts. Yeah, and if you have to close the trade on Friday, just do it. What problem you see out of that? If you just have to tweak your strategy a little bit, just tweak it. Just repeat how you made money using your demo account. I don't want just to repeat the presentation, guys. You can rewatch the replay. You will find my story at the same beginning. Hello all, I would like to connect with you. Could you make this happen? Yeah. Nobody knows the future, but still excited for day 3. Yes, correct. Just can you do it from a demo to live? Yes, that's the main point. You run a losing robot on demo account and then reverse everything it does to your live account. So when the robot is losing trades, your live account is winning trades. Okay. How about to use losing EAs instead of losing traders? Yes, it works with EAs as well. Does this copy work there? Yes, works on demo. My system is already making 1,600%. That's a big number, guys. 1,600% are the demo making money still working. So if you're making that much of a profit on your demo account, I assuming that you use a really, really high risk, okay? But if you lower the risk to reasonable numbers, your returns will likely be less than what you're saying, yeah? And with this, you might be very good choice, sorry, a good choice for prop firms, yeah? They don't take high risk strategies that, you just do a few trades with high lots and just win a few lucky trades, yeah? Looking forward to it, mate. Can you do this? Yes, demo to live works. Will the homework work instead of... How can this repeat some things? Where do I find this losing trade? Can you do reverse? I understand, guys. I can't see, with so many questions, so you just keep reposting the same question until I eventually see it, yeah? Give a list of pros. Actually, the robot ain't free, but can be bought by one and shared to many. Well, there are free robots, then, you can find free ones, of course, but usually the ones that work, or better to say, used to work in the past. Nobody knows the future, guys. Those are usually paid, yeah. And you saw the prices online, like $300, $500, $1,000, $2,000, yeah. Does this copy work with them? Yes. How realistic is 10% per month profit on a monthly basis from robots from your experience? It's realistic. It's not easy, guys. Don't fall for anyone who tells you this is easy. I've done that. I've doubled my accounts in the past. Pretty much few of them. I think probably 6 maybe, or some accounts I've doubled in the past. Some were manual trading, some were with robots. Most of them were with robots. Thank you so much for your efforts. Thanks, Gabriel. The most popular prop firm is FTMO. Yeah, I see them kind of everywhere, but there are others good as well too. The system that you're going to share the can you list the 10 prop firms you suggest? I think I gave a list of 5 prop firms. Tell us about your system. Well, you have to be there on day 3, guys, to see about my system. What's the minimum capital for Forex? I think those questions are pretty much already repeating. So, that's a good one. John is asking, can a broker or a VPS copy your robot or copy your signals? Well, technically they can, but why would they do that? I don't know, unless you're really making really good money in there. But like, imagine a broker with like hundreds of thousands or even millions of clients, and now they, just copy this trader. We have nothing else to do. I think brokers are busy with making tons of money from your commissions and spreads. They don't have to copy anything. And speaking about VPS servers, I don't know. Technically there is a possibility probably that if a VPS company is really unethical, they might get to your trading account and steal your robot because you are using it on like their VPS anyway. So I guess that's technically possible, but I don't know, just, put some protection on that robot that it works just on one account and that's it. They can't do nothing about it. I understand, but yeah, but it's like, I don't know if that ever happened to anyone actually. I think that's just a fear that people have that, oh, if I get to VPS, my robot, they will steal, and they have pretty much more important stuff to do to run their VPS business. Understanding minus, how do we get recorded? Okay, let's see. Okay, 2 more questions, guys. 2 more questions. Let's see if I got something new. I thought you're going to provide us reliable robot EA. I don't know why you thought that, but no, I won't provide that. Is there recording? Talking about this homework, will the video you will send cover step-by-step process of what to do? Yes, of course. It will give you step-by-step what to do in your homework so you get ready for the next session and stuff, So it will be like creating a trial, choosing your multiplier method, and going to open a prop firm account. That's what you need, Not much step-by-step things for today, because not much technical things we need to do, but tomorrow will be more technical lessons, kind of, because I will present the FX account cloning system and the trade copper software. Okay, let's see if we have some new questions there. How long did it take to double the accounts you refer to? It depends. It took me about 9 months to double once. Another time I did it in 12 months. Another time there was in about a year, roughly almost every time it took me about a year to double the account. I believe once I did this faster, probably in a few months, but that was way on high risk, so I wouldn't recommend that to anyone. Yeah. How much you sell the trade copper? Well, you will see the pricing on the website. I will give the link where you create a free trial, and there will be pricing, so you will see depending on the plan you need. Yeah. What if the robot is making profitable trades? This way we will be losing on live accounts. Yeah, if you reverse trading, then yes, that's what will happen. So you'll have to find a really crappy robot, so to speak. Can the hack strategy you will teach work on prop accounts? Yeah, mostly it can. Yeah. Do you have EA to offer, Sven? A short spoiler, guys, but probably nobody will get surprised anyway. On day 3, after I do the free presentation and I will show everything I promised, okay, I will give the offer, one of the most, best offers, offered at best price, like a bundle with all the software stuff, training, and packed in a one purchase. So yes, I'm really considering to add an EA to that offer. Okay, I will speak about that more on this on day 3. Okay, so I don't want to rush things too fast. The Forex cloning software, will it be operated by non-savvy? Well, if you're non-tech savvy, I can't speak for everyone, but we do have people who know little about technology. But if you can use computer, you were able to register and come to this webinar. You use MetaTrader to open some trades. Yes, then you will be able to do that. We include tutorials, video explanation. There are these private group coaching calls where I'm going live every month for at least 2 times and teach various stuff. You can ask questions, stuff, so it's like, even if it will be difficult for you at first, I'm sure you will learn that if you put some time into it. So because I do everything I can so that mostly everyone can use this method. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's do one last question, guys, and I will end the presentation because I think it's well over an hour. Yeah. 1% can trade here, mate. We all live in hope bring the risk or sorry, I didn't get that. I hope your strategy will get us qualified to pass the evaluation price to firm. Well, I can't promise that. Yes. Please provide EMI solution to final package on the Hope you're transferring this knowledge to students. Okay, guys. So once again, thank you all for being here. I'm really glad you made it today. We had more than 200 people live today, and I believe even more people will be watching replays and stuff, So I really do hope you learned new stuff. I really hope that you will apply this knowledge to your trading career and you will be able to get your results. And once you get your results, please be sure to email me and tell about them. Okay? So I'll see you on day 2, guys. Give me about an hour to prepare that video for you. I will upload it and send the link to you right away. And see you tomorrow, guys. Same time. Bye.
jangan jadi kawat balik. Brr. Balik, itu bagus balik ya. Bagus.
Gak bagus kalau nggak tutup mah.
Cuman 1,5 jam nothing ya. Gak usah banyak cincong.
Mana 1,5 jam?
Iya. Ngapain cincong-cincong terus? Halo, halo, tes. Tes. tes, halo.
Science 1 hour. Science 45 minutes. English, math,
45 minutes. Terus apa ya benerin, awas minggir. Ayo. Tuh sih, nanti benerin sih. Tuh no. Bentang.
finally masak.
Besok makan di mobil, ya Mak?
Makanya harus makan di mobil dulu.
makan apa? Telur pakai nugget, telur pakai abon atau nugget?
Kosong pengen nugget. Nggak pernah apa-apa lagi.
Kamu roti. Roti itu apa? Golden Wheel. Ya. Sama kamu roti. Lah, ini dibuang aja lah ya kok sayurnya. balik mandi balik. Woi, tidur ayo. Udah jam 10. Balik. Ayo. Mandi. Sikat gigi.
Balik kapan selesai? Tantri balik gak ke sekolah lagi kan? Karena I swear kalau sampai harus tunggu sampai secondary one baru stop. Balik pingin poop my pants. Habis mama papa Cece tidur in the middle of dog bed, Balik poop sendiri di pants Balik. Habis itu cover up my pants, habis itu dilempar di lantai. Habis itu Balik keluar, Balik tidur sendiri supaya gak bisa smell jorok. Habis itu papa mama smellnya habis pagi gomporan awal, habis itu baru balik lagi. Sampai kapan itunya? Nah, sekolahnya. Habis itu harus bikin baru lagi, harus mau lagi. Hah? Enak banget. Cici tuh awal break duluan. Mereka harus lebih early bangunnya. Cici aja tadi pagi nggak pergi. Cici nggak ke sekolah kan? Atau
Secondary itu yang
kok Valeria sama yang lain boleh?
semua emang nggak boleh ke sekolah, sektu yang ke sekolah karena dipakai buat sektu.
Tapi ini sek 3 bilangnya. Tapi masih ada math OS.
Belum dapat izin dari dinas pendidikan. Kalau saya kan sudah primary, kalau secondary belum dapat izin. Jadi cuma buat sektu aja yang assessment.
Saya punya lebih banyak PR, punya lebih banyak kuis.
Misalkan
Gak boleh pergi ke bathroom for lebih dari an hour. Gak boleh keluar, gak boleh
kata
ngomong.
siapa boleh.
Teachernya Mr. Prime bisa ngomong sendiri, gak boleh ke bathroom. Terus tuh gak boleh ngomong.
Boleh lah.
Cuma kalau ada question. Jadi gimana fight kamu sama teacher?
Yang penting nggak dekat-dekatan. Ada pakai masker.
Cuma Sherlock kan?
Nggak
Siapa?
tahu, mama nggak ngomong.
Gimana tahu Sherlock?
Nggak mungkin lah kalau cuma berdua. Karena balik. Tuh. So nggak bisa bangun.
Malah gampang banget. Sekolah sampai berapa baru bisa stop?
Nggak ada, masuk terus lah kayak sekolah biasa.
Sampai
Ya selama-lamanya.
secondary.
online terus ya, di rumah saja tapi tetap bisa mendapatkan banyak informasi, banyak hal. Dan wow, di siang hari ini suatu alhamdulillah mendapatkan kesempatan ya, suatu hal yang amazing bagi
buat loyalitas dan akhirnya kayak
juga kirain kayak semua orang loh pergi ke sekolah juga. I didn't even know. Mereka nggak keliling, mama gak mau balik. That cuma one third of the game, one third of the whole class, the whole day itu cuma sekolah, tapi the others itu malah online. Mereka the whole day punya semua friendnya balik. Aku juga actually dari dulu nggak pernah tahu mereka harus pilih pergi atau enggak. Bahkan kita masih punya lunch, bisa ngomong sama orang, main bazooka lagi.
balik.
Nggak explain properly, especially mama atau papa nggak kasih tahu kalian. Balik tahu apa? Nggak dikasih tahu. Ini loh, balik kan the whole day. Ini cuma the lunch time.
Balik ambil apa sih? Jangan dibuka. Buat nanti kalau pada datang. Kalau
Pada siapa datang?
hari Minggu.
Kita lihat.
Berantakan semua.
Yams. Apaan ini? Yams. Yams flavor. ada banyak bubuk jadinya nggak kayak dry banget luarnya, tapi dalamnya paling sedikit, at least sedikit keluar yang yang itu apaan sih yang flavor yang itu apaan? Have you been joining random Discord calls? Kok aneh banget sih suaranya? Gak jadi joining call random di Discord. Mana yellow shirtnya itu mah punya Cece?
Nggak usah, itu aja.
Kapan corona selesai? Supaya bisa semuanya di sekolah bisa ikut habis keterima servis. Kalian harus tunggu sampai secondary graduation, habis itu secondary-nya kayak gini. Kita teman. Kalau enggak, one of birthday presentnya valid itu cancel school plan-nya ini. Laptopnya wait 5 years atau 3 years.
Lucu balik ini.
Nggak lucu.
Demo. I don't want to go to school gitu. Sama si calot juga ya kan. Demo di depan
Oh,
sekolah.
udah mulai